Once you get to raise your hand, you'll get a lot of opportunities in the market, because I've seen personally that if you don't raise your hand, you don't get opportunities. Hello everyone, my name is Yash. Today I'm at the Regional College of Management, Bhubaneswar, in association with Finocontrol to teach students about how a full stack development works. In the industry, we know that full stack development is a skill set or a development course which is very efficient and very in demand these days. With full stack development, you will be able to create a real-time project which is not only on the basic level but also on the advanced level. This particular course is highly equipped for the BCA and MCA students of this college. We have also developed a lot of basic skill set, for example HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then some advanced topics like Angular and React. If you have equipped with all these topics in the last 1 week, you will be able to get a lot of roles in the industry. For example, internship, front-end development, advanced development with a year experience of 1 to 2 years, and then also you'll be able to switch to a new company if you have equipped front-end development skill set. From the last 1 week, we have developed a lot of skill set in respect to front-end. For example, HTML, which is the basic template, then CSS, then JavaScript, and then couple of front-end frameworks like Angular and React. Over the 1 week, students have real-time developed a lot of application which will not only help them in this particular section but also once they go into the corporate. We all know that artificial intelligence is in boom nowadays, right? So in all artificial intelligence, we do have to know about all the basic concepts which application has to work upon. For example, the front-end and back-end of the application. In this particular course, we have aggressively focused on the front-end development. In front-end development, we all know we have some basic concepts and some advanced concepts. In the basics, we have covered the skill set like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and in the advanced topic, we have covered a framework called Angular, which is widely used in the industry, and we have also introduced a library called React, which is also widely used in the industry. After learning these skill set, I think the students will be able to learn and grasp a lot of roles in the industry, which is basically related to the internship and front-end dev roles. I'm glad that I was part of this training session because initially the students were a little reluctant to learn because yes, this was a new topic, this was a new world for them. But after getting along with me in this journey of 5 days, they were also getting interactive. They were also getting to know me as a person, and they were also kind of getting better with the skill set. As the days passes by, the students were able to interact with me and also ask doubts which were not happening earlier. So with this interactive session, it was my responsibility to make students comfortable and also let them know how this industry experts and industry topics works. In this particular session, we have also talked upon a lot of soft skills, right? So in the industry, we do need a hard skills, but apart from that, we also need some sort of soft skills. In this particular session, we also covered topics like self-confidence, communication skills, presentation skills, and most importantly, raising your hand. I hope this session will help students a lot in their journey or in their coding journey, and they will also help themselves when they enter in the corporate and develop a real-time projects. To get more updates about the course, please stay tuned. We'll be conducting all these courses in the future also. Thank you.